Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
As you may know, there are some pros and cons of lockdown, not only in Aceh, but also in Indonesia and other countries of the world. The advantages of lockdown, you are spending your time more at home with your family, and you can work from home without thinking about dress code. When you want to go to the office, you have to wear formal dress, but at home you can dress cozily, right, comfortably. And then other advantages of lockdown, or in other words, you can say quarantine. You can learn a language at home and learn history at home, and also increase your knowledge. And then you can have private time to study and spend more time reading books. Maybe if there's no lockdown, you don't have time to read books, but during lockdown at home you can have something, books to read. And also you can watch movies that you weren't able to watch before lockdown. And then you can also clean up litter in your room. Maybe you can clean up your house for maybe some for dirty stuff in your house, and go to the garden and see your garden and clean your garden, and then spend time with family in the garden. And then you can take up new skill, like I said before, learn language, or learn how to make a blog, to edit video, right, and anything else. And the disadvantages of lockdown, you cannot meet up with your friends because you're staying at home and work from home, and you can't go to school, can't go to the beach, can go on long trips. Like you can't go to Losukon if there's lockdown, right? You can go to spread history of Aceh, to Kroneng, to 5 continents, right? And then you cannot attend sport events, as well as go to concerts, play games outdoors. You cannot go shopping to Suzuya, maybe, or to malls. You cannot eat out. You cannot hang out in a coffee shop. And then it will make your health, mental health. It makes your mental health very bad. And then I want to add another advantage of lockdown: make less pollution. The air is clear. The air is clear because not much traffic, like we see in Jakarta, in Bandung, in Banten. Right now, the governor of each provinces has made PSBB, large-scale social restrictions in Jakarta firstly, and then followed by other provinces, because in Jakarta is, as you may know, is the red zone of or the epicenter of the virus. So it is really, really important to have PSBB in there. Yeah, and also the river in Italy, when there is no lockdown, full of boats. But now we can see fish in the river because there is no more boat in the river. And another disadvantage is economic hardship is coming to all countries, maybe in the near future, because of this pandemic, that we hope that it will not make people hard to get a job or get salary income because of the pandemic. And I hope the lockdown can be lifted sooner in Indonesia and around the world. Thank you so much. If lockdown continue to the fasting month, especially in Indonesia, I think it's really bad for Muslim, especially Muslim. We cannot make ibadah as usual or like last year, and our ibadah is limited to our homes. Then people cannot get income because usually in Ramadan people are selling street foods, but there is lockdown imposed in Aceh. I think people will suffer more because of this lockdown. Although the government should give income, should give how to say, foods for
Feeding
people,
food.
yeah, feed people, poor people, those people affected by lockdown.
Yeah.
They cannot work, they cannot get income. Government should give food and send the food to their home, like rice, sugar,
Eggs.
and other eggs and other important foods. And for civil servant, I think they are okay because they civil servant will get salary every month. But for business people or entrepreneurs, they need to work. If they don't work, they don't get income. I hope that government can decrease the suffering of people, especially in Aceh. Then I hope that every leaders of regency and city in Aceh should do their best to make people can enjoy Ramadan and without fear or
Scare.
phobia of the coronavirus.
Are you scared?
Yeah. For me, lockdown in Banda Aceh or in Aceh, just stay at home because if the government impose lockdown in Aceh, we cannot go out. Our freedom is taken, right? Just stay at home, and we hope government can feed us, can send staple foods, rice, eggs, and other important foods for our daily life. For me, I just stay at home, and maybe for other people it's really hard, like people who are staying in a boarding house. They have to find income to pay to the landlord, right? If they don't pay the landlord, just get out of the house, right? But for me, I'm thankful that I don't have to look for money. I'm really thankful for that. But for the people, I have to be pray for them to be better, to have better life, and to be more patient. Because this pandemic is really make people suffer.
Yes, I have a question. I have the free time. What do you do about the increase or improve the skill in your skill in the lockdown time? And you worship near Ramadan more. Okay.
Yeah.
Smart about that.
Okay.
Alright, good question, right? I want to pick up skill like video editing, image editing, photo editing. I want to learn that skill.
Skill.
Yeah,
Which job?
or making a good video, making a good poster, maybe good poster, good poster, and then share. I think I want to pick up learning language, as well as pick up history, learn about history of Aceh, about Sultanah Nahrisha in North Aceh, and also watch full video, two parts about
Maluku
story
Saleh.
of Aceh, Maluku Saleh. That's very very fast video, speaking fast.
By original people, from
Super
Aceh
fast.
people.
And then for worship in Ramadan, I want to try to memorize Quran and read Quran, memorize Quran,
Ya mulai.
mulai Rajaah, Tadarus, and sharing about Islamic knowledge, about what can we do in Ramadan, sharing about things that we can do in Ramadan, make our reward double or 10 times, tenfold, right? Maybe in other months when we pray sunnah, yes, the reward is one, but in Ramadan the reward is like the reward of wajib, maybe tenfold of than other months. I think that's all for my question. I think as I watch some YouTube videos about that, Bosman, I think Indonesia government conflict between president and governors. The president wants to make the regulation like this, and the governors make the other regulations. For the citizens, Indonesian citizens are very confused about which regulation is important. Which maybe the acting transportation minister, right? LBP, right? LBP. Yeah. Luhut says that online transportation can take passenger, but governors regulation ojol or online transportation cannot take passengers. This is a conflict. Then make the citizens confused and make the economic situation worse. And I think Indonesian rupiah will go very very steep,
Steep down.
Yeah, because
Falling down.
we cannot do much industry to export. We just import everything. We cannot export because except the most booming industry right now is face mask. We can make face masks at home industry. And I think if the government cannot provide or balance the necessity or the need of the citizen, I think the lockdown will make economic worse. Like in India, lockdown make economic very worse, and people going hungry, and some children mother
Through the baby in the Ganga River.
Allah. Yeah, it's very bad. I think that's all.
One more question. I forgot what I'm going to ask. I lose my mind. Okay, maybe next time. Alright, thank you, Mr. Fahmi.